everyone. Let's learn a quick tip to do headings. Let's do it.
The tip to solve heading question efficiently is that we need to read the paragraph first to understand the main idea, the overall content of that paragraph. We need to ignore the minor details because we need to focus on the main purpose or theme of that paragraph. After reading the paragraph and understanding what it is focusing on, we will summarize the paragraph in our own words. That means we will predict a possible heading in our own words after reading and understanding the paragraph. Once we have predicted a possible heading, then we will move on to the options. We will review the options. We will eliminate those options which are not talking about the main idea of the paragraph or are contradicting what the paragraph was talking about. And we will keep the heading as an answer, which is summarizing the main idea of the paragraph, which is aligning with the paragraph's content. Let's find out heading of paragraph A. Let's move and read paragraph A and try and understand what the main idea is. Then we'll summarize it in our own words. And after that, we will move to the list of the headings where we will choose or eliminate the headings accordingly. Let's read. Since prehistory, in both hunting societies and more recent cultures where birds were domesticated, bird eggs have been valuable foodstuffs. So this line is saying that since early times, in societies that hunted for food and in newer cultures that kept birds, eggs have been valuable as food in both the societies. While the primary role of the egg is to reproduce the species, it is saying that eggs are mainly for making more birds. Most eggs laid by domestic fowl, except those specifically set aside for hatching, are not fertilized. That most eggs from domestic birds, unless meant for hatching, they are not fertilized. And they are sold mainly for human consumption. They are sold mainly for people to eat. So what we have understood from this paragraph is that egg is really valued as food, and its primary role is to reproduce more birds, and its other usage is for human consumption. So ultimately, we have got to know that egg is used for two things. One for primarily reproduction, and the other is for human consumption. And one more thing that is really valued. So after summarizing these, we will move to the list of headings. Let's eliminate those which do not match the summary that we just made, and choose the one which matches with the main idea of the paragraph. Option 1, other ways to consume eggs. Our paragraph is indeed talking about consumption of eggs, but it is not talking about ways to consume eggs. So option 1 will be not our answer. Option 2, egg a new life. It is not talking about egg as a new life. So option 2 won't be our answer. Option 3, different uses of eggs. Yes, our paragraph is talking about two different uses of eggs, which is reproduction and human consumption. So option 3 would be our answer. Option 4 is talking about egg cartons. We did not see anything mentioning egg cartons in paragraph A, so this cannot be our heading. Color of the egg, thickness of the shell, nothing was mentioned about this. The paragraph was not talking or focusing on this, so these cannot be our headings. Consumption of eggs in a Holy Week, nothing about Holy Week, so this cannot be our heading. Commonly used eggs, our paragraph did not mention the type of eggs which are commonly used, so this cannot be our answer. When to use eggs, Again, our paragraph did not mention about this information. Boiled eggs, eggs in different regions. So ultimately, now we know that our answer is option third, different uses of eggs.
So I hope you learned the concept and the tip well. All the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.